Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we are going to make Som Tum. Basic for the Thai food, everybody knows. We got a few versions of Som Tum. Som Tum Thai, Som Tum Pu, Som Tum Pala. But today we make Som Tum Thai. Okay, we did Som Tum Pala before, and the first video was Som Tum carrot. I want to make Som Tum carrot.
Oh my god,
at the
it's
moment,
so
we
bad.
cannot get the papaya, right? And then today we do Som Tum Thai, right? And then I show you all the ingredients today, right? Okay, we start. Okay, papaya very green. You have to be green. Yes, some people they misunderstand. They thought have to be right, but no. This one, some papaya have to be green and very hard, and green lamb, roast peanut, tamarind sauce, palm sugar, small Thai red chilli, dry shrimp, long bean, cherry tomato, and garlic. Oh, I don't forget fish sauce. Okay, I show you how to grate the papaya. Yeah, you can use your hand to chop and cut, or you can use this one. That depends how easy for you. Okay, first we peel the skin first. Yeah, we cut. Okay, we peel the skin. Okay, when you grate, you can chop this one, or as I said, you can use this one. If this one more easy, yeah, like this more easy. Or if you chop like this. But if cut like this, I don't know why it tastes nicer. This one I do one portion. No need to do it all. Only half of papaya. This papaya you can get from Thai supermarket, Chinese supermarket. Okay, and then you cut and put in the cold water. Yeah, like this. There should be enough for one portion. You soak in the cold water about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, leave it first. Now we do the ingredient. Yeah. Okay, first we put 3 cloves of garlic. 5 pieces of chili, or you can put less or more, depending as you like. And dry shrimp, about 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Two tablespoons of fish sauce. After we mix, we can taste. Maybe you need more or less. And lime juice. We put one first. This one is throw in there. And I like tamarind sauce. Yeah, I put 1 tablespoon of tamarind sauce. I taste first, yeah, how it tastes like. Rồi. And then long bean. Yeah, you just break like this. And cherry tomato. You can put as much as you like. Yeah. And roast peanut. Okay, last we put the papaya, but don't forget to throw the water. Try one more time how it tastes like. Don't you try the taste? Alright, yeah. Or you can put MSG if you like, but but I don't need it. We put the papaya. My saliva start to come out. Okay, now our som tam ready. Look nice, man.
Okay, so we're going to try this som tam. This is your basic som tam. So let's give it a go. Woo! Som tam is one of the most perfect dishes ever. It's just incredibly Moorish. Oh, it's so good. It's perfect. So, hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It really helps. And we'll see you again next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.